Hello friends, welcome to A1 Good channel. Today's success story Tim Cook. Tim Cook is the CEO of Apple, one of the biggest organizations in the world. He is considered as one of the most powerful people in the world. He succeeded Steve Jobs as the chief executive officer of Apple company. He belongs to a very humble family. Tim Cook's thoughts on life are really inspiring for all. As per Tim Cook, we should not live by separating ourselves from the problems that are surrounding us. Rather, we need to live with it and we have to find the solution how to solve the problems in the best way. There are lots of problems in our lives, but we cannot run away from it. We need to solve the problems and the injustices need to end it. One of the valuable thought is shared on life that history really yields to one person, but we should not forget what happens when it does. Anybody can thrive from the change and there will be definitely be changes. It is important for us to stay with the problems. If we want to find the solution, we need to the change the agent. We need to bring the changes being with the system, not by keeping ourselves outside the system. Tim Cook believes that life is most persistent and the most important question in life is that what we are doing for others. He even expressed his sexual status that he is a gay. He explained that his decision to put his personal privacy aside was an important step in advocating the human rights and equality for all. It has been uncomfortable at times, but it gives him confidence to be oneself and to follow own oath and to rise above adversity. He believes that we might have privacy, but we should make it open if it helps others to gain the equality. Everyone should be treated equally. Even the gay marriage should be treated equally. For him, equality is the fundamental right of everybody. Tim Cook believes in his intuition very much. It might happen to everybody at all times in all of our lives when we feel our intuition is just appropriate. Some of the important decisions of our life we cannot take with the help of brain, but our intuition helps us to guide us while taking the decision. As per him, everybody should listen to his intuition so that he can take a better decision. If we listen to our intuition, it has the potential to direct or redirect us in a way that is best of us. For him, intuition can tell us the doors that are open to us and which one we should walk through.